In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified and buy stars on Fragment for Telegram. Fragment is the official decentralized marketplace, powered by the Ton blockchain. And it's the place to securely buy Telegram stars and handle related transactions. Before you begin, make sure you have a Ton wallet set up and funded. A popular choice is Tonkeeper, which is designed for the Ton blockchain. Once your wallet is created, add some Toncoin, often abbreviated as Ton. You'll use Ton both to pay for the stars and to cover small network fees. Keep your recovery phrase private and stored offline. Your wallet is the key to all transactions, so treat it like cash. Next, connect to Fragment. Open the official Fragment Telegram stars page in your browser. Double-check you are on the legitimate site to avoid phishing. Click the Connect Ton button and your wallet app or extension will prompt you to approve the connection. Review the details the site is requesting and confirm in your wallet. This simply links your wallet to Fragment so it can request a payment when you are ready. Now, you can purchase stars on the stars page. Choose how many you want to buy. Take a moment to verify your Telegram username is entered correctly. Since stars are delivered to that account, you'll see a price quote in Ton along with any network or service fees. When everything looks right, proceed to pay. Your wallet will display the transaction details, confirm them carefully and approve. The transaction is sent to the Ton network, and after a short confirmation period, your stars are credited. Keep your wallet open until you see a success message to avoid interrupting the process. If you are looking to get a verified badge on Telegram, that's handled through Verify bot. Open Telegram, find the bot, and follow the on-screen prompts to submit your request. Verification is for publicly recognized entities and individuals, so be ready to provide evidence of public recognition, such as a Wikipedia page or coverage in established news outlets. You'll also need to maintain an active official channel or bot that clearly represents you or your brand. Make sure your usernames, display names, and links are consistent across platforms. The goal is to prove authenticity, not popularity. The bot may ask for links or additional context, so keep your materials organized. If your application isn't approved immediately, continue building your public presence and keep your official channel active before trying again. That's it. Thanks for watching.